Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for a bread loaf which is flourless. It is rock bottom in carbs and it's a completely different take on the cloud bread. The cloud bread which you all know about. I don't know who started the cloud bread, otherwise I would have given credit, but this is just an amazing take on it. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. Can you see that? Can you see that? So bread-like, smells amazing, tastes amazing. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin by separating 5 large eggs. I put the whites into one bowl and the yolks into the other. Of course, there might be a little spillage as I'm not doing a very good job of it, but that's okay. I think a few shells have also fallen in, but I'll use some of the egg shells to lift them out. There I go. So 5 egg whites, large egg whites. And now I'm putting half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and we are going to whip these up till they are pretty stiff. You might need to whip them up maybe for about 3 to 4 minutes. They should be foamy but not that stiff also. I want to work with an egg white mixture that's not very stiff. So that's gone in. Now to this we are adding egg white powder. As the egg white powder goes in, we are going to whip it up again. So 6 tablespoons of egg white powder, and we are going to gently, not that gently, but I've just mixed it all in. So that's done. I'm giving it a little while to mix it all in so that there are no clumps. Okay, now we are going to work with the egg yolks. To the egg yolks, we are going to add some golden flaxseed meal. Now, the flaxseed meal will give it that structure, that texture. Half a teaspoon of salt goes in also. 1 teaspoon of baking powder goes in. All this into the egg yolks. Now, I'm using some apple cider vinegar and just 1 tablespoon of that. And any substitute milk of your choice. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, whatever you like. And 4 tablespoons of that into the egg yolk mixture. Last of all, I'm putting some olive oil, 2 tablespoons of that. And I'm whipping up the egg yolk mixture such that it becomes a little light and fluffy. Now slowly in bits, we are going to fold it in so that you mix it all in about 2-3 batches. It will deflate a bit, don't worry about that, as long as it just doesn't become too watery. Now I've got a loaf pan about 8 by 4, and I'm putting in all the mixture, and after I put it in, I will give it that little tap so that all the air bubbles release from it. And yes, not to miss, I'm going to put a little sprinkling of a sweetener on top. That will give it that little crusty topping. So any sweetener of your choice, just take it in your hand and the length of it, just put it across the entire loaf. I think about a tablespoon would be enough. And there we have it out of the oven after it's baked at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. And here I'm slicing it. Allow it to cool a bit in the oven and see that beautiful marbling. It's turned out absolutely amazing texture, soft and marbled with the flaxseed. A great bread, rock bottom in carbs. I think you're going to love it to make sandwiches like these, and really low calorie. Thanks.